just a quick intro. You can call me Kiho. I'm from South Africa and I will be cooperating this channel with my mom. Our channel will focus on cooking tasty, easy and warm dishes and desserts. Now that that's out of the way, I bet you're wondering what this is. This is a sweet chili chicken pasta, which is super quick but also just as delicious. It's perfect for those long days at work or if you don't really feel like cooking but still want something delicious to eat. My mom will be walking you through how to make it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so you're going to need 1 onion cut into half moons, 1 carrot cut into thin slices, 3 red peppers, half of each color, your 3 chicken breasts which will be cut into pieces, and lastly your pasta. First things first, you're going to pour hot water into a pot and put in some salt and oil and let that boil over a low heat of about 4 or 5. The salt and the oil will help prevent your pasta from sticking together. Next, you are going to lightly cook your meat on a low heat of about 4 or 5 as well, but not until it's completely cooked, just until it changes from pink to slightly white, like this. And you can stir it around to make sure the meat is cooked on both sides. Once your meat is partially cooked, you can add in your spices. What my mom is currently adding in are 2 chicken flavor stock cubes, next is some paprika, which you will be spreading all around. Then some curry, not too much of this. Some rosemary. Chicken spice, and Origanum. This is completely optional if you do not have it. Now you can stir everything together to make sure that those spices are properly incorporated into your meat. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic, just mix. We're going to add our onions. We're adding them earlier because they take much longer to cook than other vegetables, except carrots, which we'll be adding shortly as well. So we're going to leave that for about 5 minutes or so. Now that 5 minutes is over, you can add maybe half or a quarter cup of water to help those onions cook, but not too much water. Then we can add our carrots as well and spread them all around to make sure each and every one of them are cooked. While that's busy, we can check on our pasta pot. Since it's boiling, it's safe to say we can add our pasta. Now guys, do not break your pasta. I repeat, do not break your pasta. Just need to clear that up. So we're going to wait for our pasta to cook. Now that it's cooked, we can rinse out all of that starch. You can use a proper sieve for this. It is the recommended procedure. To our meat. Now that everything seems cooked, it's time to add a few drops of Worcestershire sauce, just a few drops. Sweet chili sauce, perhaps maybe like a teaspoon of this. And tomato sauce, same as the sweet chili sauce, and mix everything together. Then leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes or so. Now it's time to add our red peppers. noticed my mom added these late instead of early because they bring a lot of color to the dish and we want to have that crunch when we're eating this pasta. So we're just going to mix them together, the meat. Now for some sugar. I'd say 1 teaspoon, and if you feel it needs more, you can add a sprinkle and mix that sugar in. Now we can add in our pasta, but it's up to you if you want to serve them separately. It tastes great separate as well. We're going to pour some Aromat, but if you don't have that, salt works just fine, just a few pinches. Now for the frozen peas, note they must be frozen, not canned, frozen. Mix everything together. We just add pasta and the peas. Is adding an extra pinch of Aromat, but that was just her personal preference. You don't have to do this. And lastly, we're adding parsley and black pepper for a pop of color and to make our dish look really beautiful. Make sure it goes all around. You can use fresh parsley for this, no problem. And now guys, our pasta is ready for plating. There you have it guys, sweet chili chicken pasta. I remember when my mom and I were done making this, she said, ujakamehlo and so caught, which means you're already full just from looking at it. I hope you enjoyed our video, and if so, give a like and please subscribe to our channel because there's definitely more where that came from. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And also, if you tried this recipe, please share in the comments. I'm dying to know how it actually went. Okay guys, so I will see you in the next one. Bye.